The two-piece provide.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Ty, aka Glam by Ty, and I'm back with another video. If you guys didn't see my review on this hair, it's definitely gonna be linked below, but I might put it up here in the cards. This hair is from Yall Wigs. If you guys didn't go watch that video, go watch that. All the details is in the description to that. But today, sis, we're finessing some. Okay, we're finessing. This company sent me a wig, and this company is called Sogoodhair. Let's see if the hair is so good, sis. Let's see if it's so good. Like I always do, I will have all of their social medias and stuff like that linked below, so y'all can go check them out. But when you open up the box, you get the hair in the bag. And they also sent me a wig cap and an adjustable strap, which I'm gonna be adding. Let's open up the wig. I'm trying not to make my videos so long, but for some reason they still wind up being long, sis. I can't help it. I talk so much. And this is what the hair looks like. More curly hair, sis. We're finessing. Okay. I will have all of the details for this. But this is their Brazilian deep curly hair, and it looks like this. Definitely deep curly, sis. Definitely. But I'm excited to wet her and see what she looks like. The lace is in a light brown shade, and you do get this much parting space with her. And it comes with 1, 2, 3. Okay, yeah, 3 combs. There's no comb back here, but there's the adjustable strap. Now, the cap size is medium. It's a medium cap size. And the knots are lightly bleached. But I am going to go on ahead and bleach these knots and show y'all how I do. This wig, believe it or not, sis, is 20 inches. 20 inches. So, I mean, if you pull it down, yes, definitely 20 inches. And the density of this wig is 150% density. So I don't know if I'm gonna be thinning her out, but 150, you know, that's a good amount of density. And I like big curly hair. This hair isn't big, but it's so pretty, so I don't care about it. But as far as like deep curly hair, I like big hair. So what I am about to go do is show y'all how I mix everything to bleach the knots on this. Then I'm gonna show y'all how I pluck with it on my head, and we're gonna apply her and go from there. What I'm gonna be using is the Kaleido Colors powder lightener, and this is the one that tones it as well. So you're not gonna have to go back in and tone the hair or whatever if the knots come out a little too yellow, because I do have yellow undertones, but I don't like when mine is too yellow. So I'm gonna be using this because it's violet, and y'all, everybody knows violet cancels out yellow. I'm gonna use 40 volume developer. You could get it from any brand. This is just like whatever brand I picked up, but whatever, you could get it from any brand. And let me just explain something about the developer. It is not what volume you use, it is how fast you want to get to the lightening process. I got 40 volume developer, but you could get 10 or 20 or 30. It just means that 40 is going to get me there faster than 10 is, or you know, vice versa. So I'm going to show y'all what parts I use of each and how I make, you know, my bleach. And I also already went on ahead and added the adjustable strap onto it. This is what they look like. Knots look like after I bleached them. So I'm gonna show y'all mine. It look like this. Ooh. Alright. So this is what she initially looks like. I just want to see how big she is, but she's really pretty. The curls are very tight. That would be one thing that I can say. It is pretty long. It like comes to my waist when I stretch it. It's time to pluck. I hate plucking girly hair. I could do straight hair all day. When it comes to curly hair and plucking, it's like a nightmare. Like, but it needs to be done. Chit chat really fast with you guys. When I was washing this hair, when I was washing the lace, when I bleached it, none of the hair was really like coming out too much. I know that when you bleach knots, it does weaken the hair, but it wasn't too bad. I'm gonna speed this up for you guys because you guys seen me do this plenty of times. And this could get really like tedious. So yeah, thank God for technology that we can fast forward. I'm gonna go ahead and speed this up and come back to y'all when I'm ready to show y'all what she looked like all freshly plucked. Oh, you guys are always like, oh, you look so cute bald, but honestly, you guys, I look ridiculous. Alright, so let me just speed y'all up until what I did to the wig. So I went ahead, plucked it. Y'all only see me pluck a little bit because sis, plucking curly hair is not my wave no more. Like it just ain't my wave anymore. Like I feel like it's so tiring. But I got it done. Next, I went on ahead and cut the ear tabs off on the wig. Y'all see me do that plenty of times. Same thing. Now what y'all see me doing is adding makeup to my cap because I wanted to blend in with my skin. Make me look bald, sis. Taking my Got To Be Free spray. Lay it right where I want it to lay. So what I am about to go do is get my scarf, tie my scarf down, and then I'm gonna come back to y'all to cut this bitch open and do some baby hairs. Alright, so I went on ahead and took my scarf off pretty down just for me using the free spray, so I'm surprised to show her off. What she looks like. I haven't really been getting that many tangles. A little bit of shedding, but like I said, I went ahead and plucked this, and I also bleached knots. So shedding could come, and it's curly hair, so it's nothing I'm tripping over. Let's just say that I'm not getting globs in my hands, so I'm gooch. Now I'm just gonna take some good old regular scissors, and I'm just gonna cut my base. My stomach is growling, so if you hear my stomach in this video, ignore her, sis, ignore her. This is what she looks like. It's not bad, okay? Let me just say that, but I'm extra. I haven't had baby hairs. Like, I need my units to have baby hairs. I'm gonna take my scissors, and I'm literally just gonna... My baby hairs, y'all know I do go on ahead and lay my scarf down again. Now I'm about to go try to find some food because I'm so hungry, and then I'm gonna come back to y'all when I'm ready to show y'all everything. I'm gonna show you guys what the hair actually looks like once she's basically dry. One thing that I can say about this hair is that you're going to need product, sis. And what I mean by that is the curls are very, very tight. So to define them, you're going to need something. Like, you can't just walk out the house. This hair is 20 inches, like I said, and it's pretty long. It comes, you know, if I stretch it, it comes to like my stomach. And this is the parting in it. Nice parting. only thing I would say, which I might do in a future video because you guys can keep asking me, is I would probably thin this hair. I think the density of this is 150, which isn't bad, but I'm used to sew 130, and I'm used to about 130, 120 density, and for this to be 150, it's like a lot, especially if I'm not defining the curls and I'm just like rocking out. Boy, this hair gets super big, like super big. It was at the point where I was at work and I had all my hair to one side, and I was like, you know, just leaning on it like a pillow. Yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Go follow me on my Instagram at It's Glam by Ty, and on my Snapchat at Snap Glam by Ty. And make sure you share this video, give this video a thumbs up for more finesse videos, and I'll see you guys in my next one.